Is repeating those same positive affirmations to yourself day after day starting to feel just a little bit stale? Well, I'm going to give you 3 secret, interesting methods to boost your positive affirmation work in order to create a positive shift and transformation in your life. My name is Aaron. I am a certified metaphysical life coach, and I create personal development and metaphysical practice videos. The first technique is going to be yin yoga or restorative yoga. This is a great practice that works via the body to influence the mind. Many people are already familiar with yoga and its different styles and practices. Yin yoga or restorative yoga really focuses on slow movement and staying in those postures for an extended period of time. This really gives you the opportunity to let go and sink in. But what you can really do is create a short list of positive affirmations and go ahead and memorize them. And then as you go through your yin yoga or your restorative yoga sequence, you'll use each positive affirmation as a mantra during your poses. As you go from pose to pose, you can stay with the same positive affirmation or you can switch things up. I love yin yoga or restorative yoga because it's very easy to do at home. In fact, a channel that I really love here on YouTube is Yoga with Bird. So if you're interested in yin yoga or restorative yoga and using it for positive affirmation work, go ahead and check out that channel. The second technique or the second secret method is going to be EFT. EFT stands for the Emotional Freedom Technique. Some people may know this as tapping, EFT tapping, psychological acupressure. It's amazing. It works via tapping on different points in the body. Each point corresponds with one of the meridians. These come from traditional Chinese medicine. Each meridian also corresponds to an organ, and those organs are said to hold certain emotional energy. So what you're doing when you tap in a certain sequence is you're tapping on the door of your body saying, hey, I'm ready for this certain energy to come up. And you can tap on a variety of topics. I would advise that you learn the basic EFT tapping sequence, and then you can use it with your list of positive affirmations. You can tap just on one positive affirmation if you'd like. It's gonna give you another way to connect with that energy and that affirmation and allow it to sink into your body. If you're interested in learning more about EFT tapping, I have an entire playlist that introduces you to the technique, teaches you the basic tapping sequence, and then each video after that is a guided EFT practice. I'm gonna go ahead and include the link to that playlist above as well as in the description box below. And the third secret method is going to be Yoga Nidra or the practice of psychic sleep. This is a meditative practice very similar to mindfulness meditation, but it hijacks the body's natural sleep rhythm in order to allow you to enter what is called the Nidra state. Nidra is the Sanskrit word for sleep. So it is a meditative practice that works using your sleeping system, but you don't actually lose awareness or lose consciousness. You actually maintain awareness while you're descending through the different sleep stages, and you arrive in the deepest delta brainwave state, a place of healing and transformation. One of the main components of Yoga Nidra or psychic sleep is called the Sankalpa, and this is typically a very strong statement of intention that drives your practice. So you can use your positive affirmation in place of your Sankalpa. They're very, very similar. The benefit of a Sankalpa over your positive affirmation is the Sankalpa is laid in the Nidra state, which means that it's laid deeper in the unconscious mind. It creates what's called a karmic seed that with proper nurturing will manifest into your desired experience. With your positive affirmation, it's used in the waking state, so it's really laid on top of some other probably contrasting belief or whatever it is that you're using the positive affirmation to work against or push away or transform. If you're looking to learn more about Yoga Nidra or psychic sleep, go ahead and check the description box below. I'm going to include the link to my free guide on how to create a powerful Sankalpa. It has everything that you need: journaling activities, self-exploration exercises, links to videos on how to get started with this practice, as well as free guided practices. So it has everything you need to get started. If you've enjoyed this content and this information, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. And I'm going to put a link